The Rukun Negara, or as the Malaysian Declaration of National Philosophy instituted by Royal Proclamation on Merdeka Day, 1970, in reaction to a serious race riot known as the 13 May incident, which occurred in 1969. The incident proved at that time that Malaysian racial balance and stability was fragile. Immediately thereafter, the Malaysian government sought ways to foster unity among the various races in Malaysia. One of the methods used to encourage unity is the Rukun Negara. The word Rukun Negara can refer to the whole declaration, the words after the preamble or the 5 principles alone. The formulation of the principles of the Rukun Negara was the efforts of the National Consultative Council, headed by Tun Abdul Razak. The aim of the Rukun Negara is to create harmony and unity among the various races in Malaysia. Thereafter, the new economic policy was launched in 1971. The aim was to create unity among the various races in Malaysia through economic equality via the reduction of the economic gap among the Malays and Bumiputera with that of the Chinese and Indian communities in Malaysia. The Rukun Negara bears similarity to the Pancasila national ideology philosophy of neighboring Indonesia. On the 13 May 1969, 3 days after the third general election, whereby the opposition parties made gains at the expense of the ruling coalition, a racial riot occurred in the nation, mainly in Kuala Lumpur. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.